Welcome to our tutorial on how to quick react to a message on WhatsApp web using your PC. Follow these steps to easily express your reactions to messages with just a few clicks. To begin, open www.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp web through your web browser to engage with your messages and react quickly to express your thoughts or emotions. Find the message you want to react to. Scroll through your chat history to locate the specific message you wish to respond to with a quick reaction. Hover over the message and click on the smiley face icon. This will prompt a selection of reaction options to appear, allowing you to choose how you want to react to the message. Click on React, and then select the plus icon. This action will expand the reaction options available for you to choose from, providing a variety of emojis to convey your feelings. Choose one of the reaction emojis displayed. Simply click on the emoji that best represents your reaction to the message, and it will be sent as your response to the original message. By following these simple steps, you can quickly react to messages on WhatsApp web using your PC, adding a fun and expressive element to your conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy engaging with your messages on WhatsApp web by using quick reactions to express yourself effortlessly. Happy chatting!